Hello, dear students. Welcome to this comprehension class. Today we are going to revise the lesson 4 and 5. The lesson 4 is on sympathy. It is in the form of a poem. There are 4 paragraphs in the poem. The first 2 paragraphs talk about a first fellow was trying to help out someone who was in distress and sorrow. He gave him gold coin and was not kind enough to have a soft corner for the man in distress. The second set of paras, that is last on the previous para, there is a poor man who comes and gives the man in grief some food. Also, he spends his time with him. So the second person was kind and good. So this is in short. I will go to the question and answer. Section A, choose the correct options. For the number 1, the correct option is A, proud and cold. For number 2, C, food. Number 3, A, money. Section B, answer the following questions. What was missing from the help the narrator received the first time? Kindness was missing. Second question, why did the narrator stand erect to thank the gentleman who helped him first? The narrator stood erect to thank the gentleman who helped him first because the first man did not show any kindness. As a result, the man in distress want to be formal in giving his gratitude. Third question, while speaking of the people who helped him, the narrator favors one of them. Why does he do so? He does so because the narrator finds the second person very kind, helpful and useful. Why does the narrator describe fourth question? The sympathy received from the second man as heavenly. Sympathy is received only from people who have some type of divinity or peace. Fifth question, how are the two people who helped the narrator different? Why is paying back one of them difficult in the eyes of the narrator? The first man who helped was material, whereas the second person who helped was emotional and spiritual, which may not be returned in the same form as received. Sixth question, which would you prefer if you were in trouble, money or sympathy? Why? Surely sympathy, because Here, the person in difficulty benefits more. So the section C, synonyms, and D, rewriting the sentences with capital letter and punctuation, is your homework. And among the composition, you may choose the second one. Have you ever met or read about someone who has spent his or her whole life living and working for others? Write a short description of this person. So you can write about Mother Teresa or some of the Nobel Prize receivers in India or abroad. So if you go to net, you will find some of them, but some who have done something all through their life for the people who are in difficulties. So with this, we will go to the next lesson. That's lesson 5. The lesson 5 talks about miracle couriers. Name of a courier company which was founded in January 2009 by a person called Drew Lacra. He found this courier company for the sake of helping out people who are deaf and dumb. A particular incident made him to found this organization or courier service. Once Drew Lacra was traveling in Mumbai and he found his neighbor in the same seat, not reacting to anything that the conductor says, and was in trouble, had to get out and how to get out. So Drew found out and asked him where he wants to go and helped him out. From then on, he understood the difficulty of the deaf and dumb. These people are not treated well in the society because their disability is not explicit and they are fooled around. Drew had to study their culture and language, and he found that these people are good at locating various places, reading the map of the city. So he started a courier service and has now 2 branches employing 70 people. He has made shipments of 65,000. He got award from Helen Keller 2009, and 2010 he got national award for the empowerment of the people with disabilities. With this we shall proceed to the question answer. Choose the correct options. I leave to you towards homework because it's easy. You can understand the text and do it. Now question answer. The answer for the first one. The bus ride was a struggle for the boy because he was deaf and dumb. Second one. There is little public sympathy for the deaf in India. First of all, this disability is not visible. Secondly, these people look normal. Thirdly, the way they behave is funny and they are fooled around. Third one, it is not easy for Drew to set up miracle couriers because he has to study the culture of the different term and the sign language. Fourth one, the reason for the success of miracle couriers is the ability of the deaf and dumb to locate places in the map of a city or town. Fifth one, there are so many differences between the visible disability and invisible disability. Visible disabilities like blind are recognized by the public and they are helped out. Anybody from children to elders, poor man to rich man, everybody helps the blinds. But whereas people like deaf and dumb, nobody wants to help them. First of all, because they don't identify or recognize these people easily. Second thing, when they recognize them, their expressions, body languages or deaf language are funny, they laugh at them. And these people are also emotionally angry. So they are facing many troubles. So this way there are a lot of differences between the visible disability and invisible disabilities. Last one. It is important for the life of dignity and self-reliance for the deaf and dumb, because they are very hard workers. They want some kindness and support. They are neglected by the society and they are having special talents like locating the places, remembering the incidents, and they have got a lot of manual power. So with this, you learn the questions. Again, the grammar portion C and D is your homework. Now, with regard to composition, you can write in paragraphs about the Paralympic Games held in Brazil 2016 or different arrangements made on a sports day for differently abled people. So, for the first one, you can get information from net, summarize, make a brief paragraph. For the second one, you can do just imagining how the differently abled people can participate in a sports fitting to them. Or else again you can go back to the net where you will get many ideas. So paragraph writing, either one of them, please do it. Thank you.